Welcome to the Shortwave radio channel, and we're going to do a little bit of a band scan from 9,000 to 10,000 kilohertz on the Kenwood R-5000. I'm going to check out what signals we get. We're going to start off in upper sideband for the bottom part, as it is a utility band, and then we're going to switch to AM for the international broadcast bands. So it is right now 02 hours universal time, and we're going to scan from 9,000 to 10,000 kilohertz. This is Stanag. I remember these types of sounds when I was alone when I was a teenager. Kind of scared me when I was listening to shortwave, especially in dark winter days. So now we're going to switch back to AM. 9265, that's WINB in Red Lion, Pennsylvania.
He doesn't appear to even have been involved in this event, gets the brunt of this curse. Well, ancient sages accomplished all sorts of this. Without going into detail, the thought is that Ham did far more than just to happen in upon his father's nakedness, that Ham committed some type of unnatural act upon his father, Noah. Because Ham had become a wicked man. Virtually every competent Bible version uses words in verse 20.
Los estadounidenses siempre se sorprenden.
World's Last Chance, WBCQ 9330 kilohertz.
Homosexual callejero. Y eso está dentro del mismo idioma.
WRMI 9395 kilohertz. This possibly is Voice of Turkey, which is broadcasting on this frequency at this time to the Far East, and seems to be the only transmission there at this time.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर हम बाइबल मुकद्दस में पैदाइश की किताब इसके दूसरे बाब को पढ़े तो यहाँ पर हमें ये पढ़ने को मिलता है कि इब्तिदा में जब खुदावन ने ज़मीन और आसमान को बनाया तो तब इस जमीन पर एक बाग लगाया जिसको बागे अदम का नाम दिया गया। उस बाग में हजरत आदम और हवा को रखा गया।
This is Adventist World Radio to Afghanistan, being broadcast by the Austria Relay.
आदम और हवा उस बाग में पहुंच गए।
9535, a very weak radio van in Cuba. China Radio International via the relay in Cuba, 9580.
今年总估计这个在
在江苏考察时强调，江苏有实力也有责任在推进中国式现代化中走在前列做示范。
This is La Voz Missionaria from Brazil in Portuguese, 9665 kHz. .670 is not very strong, but it's possibly channel 292 out of Germany.
Conocido hasta muy poco. Según los investigadores, está cobrado del Estado rumano más de 3,7 millones de euros, el equivalente a más de...
Very strong Radio Romania in Spanish on 9700.
El dinero la gastaba en drogas, prostitución...
WRMI on 9955 kHz with what sounds maybe a little bit of Cuban jamming over it. Decent receive in CW mode of RWM time signal out of Moscow, Russia, 9996 kHz. And finally at 10,000, WWV time signal in Colorado. So hope you enjoyed this 9,000 to 10,000 kHz tuning on an evening with the Kenwood R-5000 receiver, and of course using the end-fed antenna in my backyard. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.